now you are watching Tech Root. Now today my topic is factors and multiples. Rule number one, right? In rule number one, any number with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, these are divisibility by 2 easily. So this will come, all these are even numbers. So this will come in the table of 2. So how can you find that if you're having one big number, how can you divide it, right? This is the example that we can find that whatever you are having a last number, the last number which is always divided by 2 is known as this number is divisible by 2. We don't have to see the bigger number, whatever it is, just see the last number, right? Again, the next one is that if we are getting 6 at the last, right? So this means this is also divisibility by 2. Now, and the one is here 0. 0 is also divisibility by 2. So 0 is also 0, it means 10. This is also will come in number 2 tables, right? So this will easily divided by 2. And here we are having one more number. We don't have to see the bigger number. We can just immediately divide within a second, that is 4, right? And 4 and the last one is 2. 2 is also divisible by 2. So this will come. See, here we have such a big number. If you see the number and we divide it properly, it will take such a long time. But just only seeing the last number, we can say that this is divisibility by 2. Now children, my second topic, rule number 2 is divisibility by 3. Right? Now let's start. How will you divide by 3? How it will be completely divided by 3, right? We will see that if we have one number which can be completely divided by 3, we have some formula also. Let's suppose if I am using the number 105, if I am using this number 105, if I want to know that this will divide it by 3 easily or not, so what we have to do, we just have to add these numbers. Let's suppose 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5. 1 plus 0 plus 5. If this will come in the table of 3, then it means this is easily divided by 3. Let's suppose 5 plus 1 is 1 plus 0 is equals to 1 and 1 plus 5 is equals to 6. So this 6 will be easily divided by 3. That's great. And come to the next example. If I want to see one more example, that is 72. Let's suppose if I'm going to one more example, that is 72. Is 72 divisible by 3 or not? 7, let's see. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is equals to 9. 7 plus 2 is equals to 9 means 9 will also come in the table of 3. So you can say this number 72 will easily divided by 3. Come to the next point, one more number. If you want to see some other number, let's suppose 1, 1, 1. Is this divisible by 3 or not? Let's see. 1 plus 1. Again 1. It means 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 and 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. It means 3 is also divisible by 3. Thank you. Our third rule is divisibility. Third rule is divisibility by 5, right? In 5, we have only two numbers, that is 0 and 5. 0 means here we say that 10 and 10 will come in the table of 5 and the second number is only 5. 5 will also come in the table of 5, right? And just if you have such a big number, let's suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 and 0. We have such a big number, we just have to ignore all these numbers and see only one number, that is 0. We just have to see 0. If 0 is at the end of the 0 we have at the end of the number we have 0, that it means we can divide easily by 5. The second one is that 175, 325, 15. This is such a big number, and the only one thing we have to see is that if we are getting number 5 at the end, it means this will be divided by 5, right? One more number we will see, 1387. Is this 1387 divisible by 5 or not? See the last number, 7. Is 7 can be divided easily in 5 or not? No. If no, then what we have to do, this is not divisible by 5. With the next number, with the next rule, that is rule number 4, divisibility by 10. This is so easy. Whenever we see any number which has only 0 at the end, let's suppose 90, 70, 60, 60. These all are divisibility by 10. We just have to see only one number, that is 0, 0 and 0. Whatever you have such a big number, 9, 7, 6, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is this divisibility by 10 or not? So you will have no. If you write one more number, 0, it means this number is easily divided by 10. So
for more information, watch TechRoot Daily, subscribe my channel, like it, share with your family and friends.